Today's experiment brings us the fascinating Soda Bottle Waterfall. For this, you'll need a bottle, water, and some scissors. First, fill the soda bottle halfway with water. Cut a small hole at the bottom of the bottle and cover it with your finger. Now, lift the bottle upside down over your sink. Remove your finger and watch the water rush out. As the bottle flips, gravity pulls the water downwards, chasing the empty space. Remember to conduct this over a sink for easy cleanup. Be cautious with scissors and supervise younger kids. The expected outcome? A playful display that helps visualize gravity in action.